welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be doing a kitting up video of this cute little diamond painting that was very kindly sent to me by EverydayeDeals. This is a 30 by 30 round drill. I have everything I need right beside me here. So we have our little storage pots, we have the drills for this set because the codes match up. We have our canvas, and we also have these little pieces of paper in which I'm going to write down the numbers 1 to 21. I haven't got time today, sadly, to scan in the table and print it out and cut it up that way, as I'm getting ready to go on vacation tomorrow. So I'm just literally going to go with little pieces of paper and write the numbers 1 to 21 down. So let's move this off to one side. I'm going to go ahead and start writing the numbers 1 to 21 on these little pieces of paper and stick them on the corresponding pots, and then I will be right back with you. Ta-da! As if by magic, that is done. So as this is a 30 pot set, we have 9 pots left in case we need to have spare pots, you know, if there's too many of one kind of drill. So let's open these drills up. They're all baggied, so it should be an easy process. Just pour them into the pots. Let's grab our little baggies out there. I'll pop that to one side. I've got my sort of little trash container here, which is the lid to put everything in. So let's get into it. I hope you are all okay. The DMC numbers are on the canvas, so that is what I will refer to when dekitting this, because they're not anywhere on the bags or obviously the pots, because I haven't printed the labels the same as what I did last time. I really need my tray underneath here for spillages as well. Okay, that's all of those in there. Those are quite nice baggies that they come with. Let's get a little tray out. And we'll move on to number 2. So I thought I would kit this one up as it's another 30 by 30. I've just finished a 30 by 30, which you will have seen the unboxing to. Not the unboxing, sorry. The dekitting of. I can't speak today. I've got too many things on my mind. You will have just seen the dekitting of that video. And as I said in that video, I really enjoyed it. So I thought we would go with another nice, quick and easy one that I can sort of complete in a couple of days, or, you know, over a period of a few hours. So I'm kitting this up, and then I will be doing a little bit of work on it just to sort of de-stress a bit and chill out a bit before I have to crack on with the more important tasks, unfortunately, today, which is packing and, you know, that just before you go on holiday feeling where you've got to get everything prepared and make sure everything's ready for when you go away. It's just one of those things. And trying to do all of that while you're not feeling 100% already is hard enough. So, but it is what it is. Hopefully whilst I'm away on holiday I can de-stress a bit more, get some good old sea air in my lungs, and yeah. At the moment it all just seems too much. You know, it's just like some something I can be doing without right now, but at the same point I know it will do me good to get out of the house. So. And I get to see my puppies because they're not allowed to live with me. They have to live with my parents. So I get to see them, and hopefully all the puppy snuggles will just, you know, make all the bad thoughts in your head go away, kind of thing. That's number 7. This is a lovely, quick and easy process when there's no static, isn't it? On bag 8 already. So what have you guys all been up to? I know some of you subscribers are with me from my colouring channel. So what are you currently colouring? And if you're diamond painting, what are you currently diamond painting? What sort of size are you working on? Are you doing a nice quick bite-sized diamond painting? Or are you doing a more in-depth long haul project? I love this green. It's like luminous green. That's definitely going to be a new number because I know I don't have that colour already. What number is that actually? Number 9. Number 9 is 704 in DMC code. Bag number 10. Love that yellow, nice and pretty. Can see one little orange hitchhiker in there. I will come to sort that out when it comes to popping it on, you know, in the tray and doing the actual diamond painting. Bag number 11. There we go. I was in two minds whether to take a diamond painting away with me on holiday, where, you know, I would love to be able to take one away with me, but the hotel that we're going in and the room that we're staying in, I don't know if there's tables available to be able to sit at and do diamond painting in my spare time. So it's kind of like, do I want to take it and then have to bring it home with me again knowing that I couldn't do it? Or I'm sure most of you would be like, well, I would take it anyway just in case you can do it. So we'll see. If I do, it will be this one that I take with me because it's nice and small and compact. These are not all going to fit into one pot, I can already tell. This is our 819. So let's jiggle these pots around. Bring a spare one down here. We'll move 20 up to there, 15 up to there. Let's pour the other half of these diamonds in here. So I've got quite a bit of that 819. Number 15. Hoping that the rest of these should all be able to go in one pot. Whoops. And that's why we have the spillage tray. Had a few jump out of the spillage tray. Gone back in there. Oh, we've got a spare one there. I'll just pop it to one side. Put those in there. Number 16. Like so. Might keep those baggies, I think. They're quite a nice quality. number 17. Let's see if I can squeeze these all into one to save the faff of having two. Two little escapee drills. Oh, three. There's one behind it as well. Number 18. Again, a couple of little escapees of where I poured the bag a little bit too high. Number 19. So yeah, these videos will be going up whilst I'm on holiday. I will be editing them and uploading them to YouTube, ready to be scheduled later this evening in my downtime. I'm going to try and get a couple of videos recorded for my other channel, even if it's just flip throughs or something, just something for you guys to watch whilst I'm absent. Again, if you are not subscribed to my other channel, it is linked in the description below, along with this diamond painting and the 10% off discount code should you wish to buy this painting or anything else off of the website. There we go. So that is our last number, a nice sunshine yellow, number 21. So we only needed one spare pot, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and keep these and put them in my stash just in case I need some spare baggies for anything. Like so. And the rest of that can go in the rubbish. So thank you very much for joining me, and the next video you will see from me on this channel will be part 2 of the EverydayeDeals unbagging. Woohoo! 3 more diamond paintings to show you. So until then, take care everyone, and until next time, bye bye.